Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Acquire Knowledge with Anjali. So our today's topic for our video is all about career choices, and the career that I have selected for my today's topic is human resource HR. Why did I select this particular career? I have seen many people in my family taking up this as a career, and one of them is my elder brother. This career, according to me, is very interesting in itself, not only because it involves various factors and it also has various dimensions attached to it. Human resource is something where the department of a business or an organization deals with the process of hiring, administration, and training of staff, which makes the job very flexible in itself, and a person can do and learn many things at the same time. So our next topic is how will this career be helpful to the school students as well as the college students. As the human resource in itself is very flexible and has many career opportunities, one can grow in that field so much where multitasking is given a lot of importance. It gives a chance to help other people and understand their grievances and provide a solution to them which will ultimately help them in their future and their life. Also, there is a good remuneration which is provided to the one who gets selected as a human resource in their career. How will you disseminate the career among school students as well as the college students? The first point is the career guidance session can take place. Then in the newspapers it can be held. Also online portals, magazines and websites can help a lot. Handling the problems of various people will make you more stressful and you yourself will not be able to focus on your own work and you have to act as a mediator. Also, one of the biggest disadvantage of this career is that it is a very stressful job because you have to be learning about the company and its various departments, and there is a boring cubicle work for new candidates. Unless and until you don't have experience, this job will not be an easy one, and there is a need of experience in this job as well. There is no fixed timing attached to this job as human resource person has many responsibilities and the workload is extremely tedious. Now, after talking about the various advantages as well as the disadvantages attached with this job, we deal with the next topic, that how to get entry in this particular career. So after your 12th, you need to take BMS or BCom, and after that, you need to take MBA in human resource. For the age criteria, there is no such age criteria that is attached for doing human resource, and there is no such gender criteria. Anyone can get entry into this job. Notification. The department of a business or organization that deals with the hiring, administration and training of staff. The various types of duties are performed by an HR like recruitment and hiring, employer-employee relations, training and development, maintain company culture. Also, one needs to manage employee benefits, handle disciplinary actions and create a safe working environment for each and every one. The educational qualifications required for this particular career are 10th, 12th, graduation. Also, one needs to do MBA. And for the training, it depends on company to company, but basically it is for 1 to 2 weeks of training. The selection procedure also depends from company to company and organization to organization. The basic requirement is there are 3 to 5 rounds of interview that take place. There is also a telephonic interview, face-to-face interview, aptitude test where general knowledge questions are asked, interview with a panel of managers, and also the salary round takes place at the end. The next subtopic is the nature of the job. Recruitment, payroll, joining formality, exit formality, induction, reference background check, documentation. Experience. Minimum 3 to 4 years of working experience in the human resource field is required, and the probation period is approximately of 3 months. And for promotion, it depends on your individual performance. Also, the job offers for you is a pay of 15,000 to 1 lakh per month. The privileges that you get are weekly celebrations to boost up the employees. There are different types of activities which are celebrated, like dress codes, celebration of festivals, birthday parties, events, etc. And for the insurance purpose, medical insurance is given up to 3 to 5 lakhs. And for the adventure, once in a year there is a national or an international trip depending on your organization. Killer job. There are different types of online job portals. There is also campus recruitment. There are different types of magazines which also have ads in them so that you can apply, and also the newspaper articles as well as pamphlets. Thank you so much for watching this video.